Hey, if you've been thinking about investing in real estate but you're worried about making expensive mistakes, you're in the right place. I'm DBA Dropout. A few weeks ago, I did something crazy. I walked away from my doctorate program because I realized something important. Real estate actually builds wealth faster than academic credentials. So now I'm proving it. Here's the deal. I'm investing $100,000 of my own money in real estate, and you get to watch everything. Every property I look at, every mistake I make, every lesson I learn. Think of it as getting a real estate education, without paying the tuition. I'm documenting the whole journey with complete honesty. New videos every Tuesday and Saturday, the good, the bad, and everything in between. So if you want to learn real estate investing without risking your own money first, hit subscribe. Let's figure this out together.